The braided wheel bun is a style discovered by La Dolly Vita, and she found it on Tumblr, so nobody is really sure of the exact origin, and also nobody is sure why there are 3 braids in the back. But anyway, you're going to start with 3 braids in the back, and 1 braid on either side that you've done kind of like this, directed in this way. Okay, then you grab a whole lot of pins and keep these aside for now and arrange these 3 into a flat bun against the back of your head. Okay, now we take these and wrap them around too. I think that might be every pin I own.